Everyone's talk about dropshipping.
Dropshipping.
Dropshipping. Dropshipping. Dropshipping. Dropshipping.
Dropshipping.
Everyone's assessed by dropshipping and made a ton of money.
That's one store right there.
Apartment in Miami. And I also bought my dream car recently. It was a $100,000 C8 Corvette.
So I went out and interviewed dropshippers who have made millions of dollars and asked them how they did it. Douglas does over $1 million per month from his stores. Susan and Steven went from dropshipping to starting their own multi-seven-figure brand. And Jason owns a big dropshipping sourcing business. 3 different perspectives, and if you're looking to start an e-commerce brand, I really think that everything we're talking about today in this video, it's gonna be super, super useful.
I don't want to brag, but I'm 20 and I'm the best involved with the brands. I'm very open sharing the brand. We sell glowing balls, but there's been 4 million euros in one single month. Best day also 300K in one single day.
So why you not start yet? But in 2024, is dropshipping saturated? Is it dead? Well, the answer is, people saying dropshipping is dead just cope for their lazy ass. Don't skip this video because I will give you all key to be a hero in dropshipping nowadays. So what exactly dropshipping? Basically, it is a lean business model, or you can call it a fulfillment method that build up by 3 characters: your channel, your supplier, and your customer. All right, so how this dropshipping movie show? First, your customer will see product on your channel, and when they purchase that, your channel will save order and inform suppliers so that they can pick, pack, and ship right to your customer. You might see this $10,000 per month without experiences, money. Stop, listen to them. Dropshipping is not an easy game, as you've stated. You need to put in similar amounts of effort into a dropship store as you would a regular online store. Never think like trying to get rich with one-product stores, cheesy websites, and viral marketing. So the truth you need to keep in your mind is customers don't buy from low-effort stores. Nearly every single person who've tried launching their own store almost never think about how their store looks and feels to customers. You can find a ton of video or advices from people who call themselves guru that to be success, you must start from product repeat all the time. Winning product, winning product, winning product. They have a similar point that always shows sales, much sales, but what they never show you is huge pile of losing products sitting there. They deleted them all. All right, just clear your mind and remember your drop shipping way to success basically go like that. Step 1, you pick a niche. Step 2, find a target market. Understand customers. Step 3, build a website. Then step 5, run ads but have no sales. You suddenly realize you forgot something crucial. Oh, that's step 4, building brand voice. Let's get started again from step 1 through step 5, and yes, come to step 6. Go slightly bald from frustration. Step 7, rebuild website. Run ads again. Step 8, fail again but slightly less miserably this time. Step 9, repeat all step. Improving each step as you go, then you finally manage to sell a few things. After know the ugly truth, you can give up and go back to scrolling, but you made the right choice by clicking on this video because I'm going to be showing you the easiest, fastest, cheapest, pretty much the best way to start drop shipping in 2024. So make sure you're going to watch till end. No fine product here. Winning product actually just the result after you do this in the first step. So take a deep breath, toss all the garbage you've learned from YouTube and TikTok guru. The first crucial step in launching a successful dropshipping business is understanding your target customer, not just picking a product. Many entrepreneurs make the mistake of focusing on themselves and their products, but the real key is to see the world through the eyes of your customer. Thorough audience research is essential, not product research. Don't waste time trying to guess which products will be a hit. Instead, deeply understand your audience. Who are they? What are their interests, pain points, and aspirations? Put yourself in their shoes and follow them online to get a sense of their world. By understanding your target customer intimately, you'll gain insights into the types of products that will resonate with them. Research isn't just about product viability, it's about connecting with your audience on a deeper level. Learn everything you can about them: demographics, interests, online behavior, etc. This knowledge will guide your product selection, branding, marketing, and overall communication strategy. Also, analyze your competitors. Understand their strengths, weaknesses, target audience, and branding. Learn from their successes and mistakes to position yourself effectively in the market. Once you have a deep understanding of your audience and competitors, you can start building a brand image that appeals to your target customer. This goes beyond just a name and logo. It's about creating a cohesive brand experience that resonates with your audience. Your store design, product selection, product descriptions, pricing, and communication style should all align with your research findings. Remember, successful dropshipping is not about luck or guessing the right product. It's about understanding your customer and building a brand that speaks directly to their needs and desires. When you've already done step 1, just answer 2 questions before enter step 2. What made your customers buy product in your store instead of others? And how you become signature in this market. Okay, if you're confident with these answers, just go ahead and start build your store. The old way would have taken you a ton of hours if you were a complete beginner. This is the new way of doing things. Scroll down to the description of this video and click the first link. It's called Shopify Best Deal. Once you do that, it will take you to this page right here. As you can see, start free trial. So what you need to do is click it. All right, so just add your details, click next. Then you would have to build a niche. Obviously, if you don't know which product you're going to sell yet, just click, I'm not sure. But if you do, just choose one of the niches. Let's just click, I'm not sure. Done next. Just click 2 banners, it doesn't really matter. Obviously, you can edit it later. You can choose to skip all of these steps like it's just unnecessary, and then choose whichever country you live in. I'm in the US, and then click next. Now it's time to create the Shopify account. All you need to do to create a Shopify account, click Access Shopify, enter your email address. As you can see, Shopify has a free 3-day trial, and then for the next month, you just pay $1 or £1 depending on wherever you are. Click Start Free Trial. So now you can sign up with all these options. You can just choose to sign up with email, add your details, and then just click Create Shopify Account. And just like that, your Shopify store has been built. But obviously you're not done. There are a few more steps you need to do to fully complete the store, and make sure to click this video. I put all you need for a Shopify store there. After you set up all store and product, so when you will have the first sale? Well, don't think that just sitting there and your customers will find you themselves. First things first, you need to create compelling content. Don't worry, you don't need a Hollywood budget. Start by creating TikTok and Instagram Reels videos. These should be short, engaging, and showcase your product in action. Focus on highlighting the problem your product solves and how it makes life easier or better. Remember, authenticity is key. Don't try to be overly polished or salesy. Instead, be creative and relatable. Think about the kind of videos you'd enjoy watching and create content that speaks to your target audience. Once you have a few videos ready, start posting them consistently. Aim for at least 2-3 times a day on both TikTok and Instagram Reels. This will help you reach a wider audience and increase your chances of going viral. Now, be patient. It may take some time to see results, but keep experimenting with different marketing angles, offers, and video styles. The more you test, the better you'll understand what works and what doesn't. And most importantly, don't give up. Many people quit too soon because they don't see immediate results. Remember, success takes time and persistence. Keep creating content, engaging with your audience, and refining your strategy. With dedication and a little bit of luck, you'll start seeing those first sales come in. And once you do, keep building on that momentum. Use your profits to reinvest in your business, create even better content, and expand your product offerings. So there you have it. It may not be easy, but it is possible to get your first dropshipping sale. Just remember to be patient, persistent, and always put your customer first. Click the link in the description to get a 3-day free trial and your first month for just $1 using Shopify. And before you go, I want to let you know that I will share a free resource for everyone who actually wants to start a Shopify store and succeed with it. Simply subscribe to my channel and comment your email below. In this ebook, I gathered all tutorials for beginners and made them easy to understand and follow as much as possible.